Musicians, I am tired of you. That one I have to repeat on camera. You have taken a lot of time. I have not even had time to meet the NRM people. Can you imagine? Because when the morning I'm meeting Buchaman, the afternoon I'm meeting Ragga Dee, in the evening I'm meeting Odonga Romeo. So when I work on other Tiramira there, wasting my time, I have told you I have finished with you, because I have tried to do as much as possible. So if you want to take the quarrel up to the, I know you're going to abuse me on Twitter, on TikTok. I'm going to be the topic of TikTok today. But at least you first project what you have seen inside there. Because you're wasting my time. You lack organization, you lack cohesion, you lack training. So, fortunately, I have seen your boss, Ragga Dee. I don't know how he came. He's there. Ragga Dee, please come. This time you're not leaving these people in Gulu. Just because I have no breathing space, and for them their issues are endless, several. And they wanted power. They wanted to capture power at UNCC. We allowed them. They captured power at UPRS. We allowed them. They captured power at NCF. We allowed them. So what are these people doing in Gulu? You help me to end this journey, because it's not productive at all.
Thank you very much. Some of the musicians that are here, this is work.
No, work. The work people don't beg from me, by the way. No, they have never come to my gate.
Maybe the Kampala people, are the ones that come.
Yes.
But it is just this organization that they created. We have made everything formal. They were informal before. They have associations, they have federations, and the ones who come, they come in piecemeals. So as General said it today, we want to make it very clear, because we have leadership. Right from UNCC, NCF, and our work. We're going to make sure, no one is going to be established.
So, Omera, there is a new catchword which has which I have developed, which says, Rubanga te Gulu, tete te Kampala. So our job is to use me. You use me to pick the money from Kampala to bring it to Gulu. Every time I try to bring the money, they are cutting the legs and the arms and whatever. So, Rubanga te Gulu, tete te Kampala. So how do we collect all that money from Kampala to Gulu? No, walk. You start walking and fight you on the way. Now, with those few remarks, allow me to thank everybody who has come, and I wish you Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Mbanjulira aba AK Furniture abakugu mu kola entebe mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala, ebitanda ne furniture yenna ow'omulembe atenga muwangazi. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansi awo, ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell, ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kaggwa Road mu Kampala. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansi awo, ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell, ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kaggwa Road mu Kampala.
Peter Ali Moses, marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding, and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear, uniforms, n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores tukola bintu bingi n'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only naye tukola bingi tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering ezirimu installations mechanical installations n'ebirala tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers C12 era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe wonna oba obulaba.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. Tuli mu kizimbe kya commercial kwegamba kale arcade mu lulimi olumpimpi. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kwe ziri ku WhatsApp. Abantu bafadde batulaba mu videos enkadde badde nga batumanyidde Kololo. Prince Charles Drive naye kati twavaayo twala omukisa guno mbagambe nti nno twavaayo kati twadda ku Grand Imperial Hotel room 28 first floor. So twavaayo enamba zaffe ez'essimu zonna zikyaliko nga bulijjo just nti twakyusa location.